Good morning, everyone. I'm Sakshi Saudari, the Public Relations Core of DSC MESCO. Welcome back to Android Study Jams Session 2. The topics that will be covered today are Dice Roller application and user input. Before we start, don't forget to follow us on Instagram to receive the updates about the events we conduct. Join our Discord server to interact with your fellow members of DSC and discuss your queries on any topic. I request the core members to please send the link in the chat box. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel to rewatch the session in case you miss anything. So let's get started. Here are the prerequisites. Make sure you have a stable internet connections. You need to have either Android Studio or IntelliJ IDEA installed on your device. You must know the very basics of Kotlin programming language. In case it's your first time here, you can rewatch the previous session on our YouTube channel. Moving on to the objectives. Today we will be covering in detail the use of buttons, complex layout, transition and layout, and how to get user input. Do pay attention as there will be a quiz based on those topics. Let's take a look at the schedule. A short revision of Kotlin basics. Then we will build a basic application using a button. Followed by that, we'll have a very short break and then we will build a dice roller application. Next, we have a fun Kahoot quiz where you can test your basic understanding of today's session. The winner will get an exciting prize worth $400 from our sponsors. For getting the user input, we will learn to build a simple tip calculator application. Now, I would like Lokik to take over and share his knowledge.
Okay, hello guys. Am I audible? Put it in the
Yes,
chat
Lokik.
box. Okay. Uh, Now am I visible? Okay. Now let me share my screen of IntelliJ IDEA. Now we won't seeing our PPT till the end of this session. And please open your IntelliJ IDEA or Android Studio and follow along with me. I will love that follow along. And please put any questions, any queries in the chat box. Course will help you, or and I will help you too. And let's start building some application with buttons. In first session, we saw Kotlin language, how we declare variables and arrays, some functions, how to write functions and how to call them. Everything is in the first session. If you don't know everything, don't panic. You can follow along this session without that session, rewatching or watching that session. Follow along and then watch that session, and let's get started. First, to start with this application building, we have to open our IntelliJ IDEA or Android Studio, whatever you like. And to create, we will use new project. Click on new project in Android Studio, new project just. And in IntelliJ IDEA especially, you will click on Android project, and in Android project it's definitely only Android. And then click on empty activity. So till now, uh, my screen is visible, right?
Laukik, your screen is sort of cut off. It is not completely visible.
Okay. Wait. Okay, I will share my whole screen. Ah, now it's visible.
Yes, better.
Okay. Uh, is everyone with me till now? Yes, no, chats, something.
The chat says yes.
Okay. Wait a minute. I will open chat from my mobile so I can see directly. Okay, yes. Okay, let begin. Open empty activity. Select empty activity. Click on next, and then give your application a name, anything you like. We are going to build an dice roller application. So I will give name as a dice roller application. you can name anything you want, and then scroll and select Kotlin as a language, not Java. We are building our application in Kotlin, not Java. So keep in mind that we should choose Kotlin only here, and then click on finish. It will create a project, Android project, and build Gradle. It will take time, 10 to 15 minutes. So we will uh, take a break or short Q&A if anybody have any questions for 5 minutes. So everybody's Gradle will be completely built. And if meanwhile you have any questions, put it in the chat box. And if your Gradle is built, put it in a chat box. So after certain people, we will start building our first application. So okay, put something in the chat box. So I will. No, किसी का Gradle build हुआ? More about nullable types. Okay, more about nullable types. Uh, so what nullable types are, means null is a boon or ban also in programming language. If you want to store in nothing in a variable, you have to use null, but null can raise exceptions or give errors sometimes in a code. So Kotlin separate out that exception. If you want to handle that exception, you have to use nullable types, and if you don't have to, you don't want to uh, write extra code for that exception handling and all that, you can use regular types. So that is that in more about nullable types. And we are go we can take a short session on nullable types itself, because nullable is vast field. So okay, anything else anyone wants to explain it more? Okay, read about Elvis operator. Good, Varun. I see. Very important. Ah, so is everyone's Gradle is built? Okay, put it in the chat box, yes or no. Yes, okay. Prince M is how many of you are following along with me?
Raise your hands
Raise
in
your
Teams.
hands. Yeah, raise your hands. Me, only Prince ma'am. No one else.
8 people, 9, 10,
Okay.
11, 12, 13.
Okay, let's go. Let's begin. So raise your hand if your Gradle is builded, or lower your hand if not. So if five people, how many of you? Okay, let's begin building our application. Here's the Android structure. I will spend some time over the Android structure, file structure, and then we will begin our application. This is source file. Source file is everything related your program or application you are going to build, and it contains main file where you will create your Java, or in our case a Kotlin folder and a resource folder. Resource folder contains everything related to your UI, and Java folder contains everything related to your main logic. And in main logic means your coding part, everything is in the Java folder, and in resource folder everything related to your UI. The drawables are are you anything or a unit which can you draw on your application, or a photo you can show like that. Layout is a main thing. Layout is a view. which is going to appear on your mobile screen, a view or a widget which contains many widgets or many views in it. So, and it is written in XML format. So that is that. And the naming you have to have name the layout activity main, and then in Java you have to create a main activity class. So if you create more layout, you have to use this naming convention to add multiple layout and multiple logics to your layouts. So we are going to build first a UI element, and then we are going to give them a logic to do something for us. So go to your main activity, it will look like this. So this is XML code. You can edit your XML code or write your own code in it, and it will be a UI element. And if you don't want to use the design tool, you can do like you can code, but I like design tool, so I am going to teach you how to use design tool and all. But if you want, you can do this also. And in main activity, this is our Kotlin. This all are already imported and a boilerplate code, you can say. And this is on create function. On create, the when main activity is created, this function is called. The app activity, compact activity is going to connect everything. So generate the one folder is missing, so generate folder is there. So that is a compile time folder, so you won't see that folder here, but the that folder comes in play to join main activity to your layout activity main. And in here on super, because we are using a inheritance, we have to use super dot on create. So super parent classes on create function should run first, then your function, and we set the contain r dot layout activity main. So that is that. So we are going to see the activity layout, and then we are going to click on design. And for here we have already a boilerplate code known as hello world program. You can run this also to see our app is working or not. Let's run it, and Gradle is building. So give it 5 to 10 minutes. Meanwhile, if any questions, any queries, anything related to Kotlin and everything, you can ask me on chat. Okay, it's created. Where is my? Here it is. Here it is, your dice roller application with hello world text. So if you don't have the your emulator, so you can connect your mobile also, or and you can see the your application on that. And the I cover this part in 1.5 session on Discord. If you don't know, I will share every resource with you, and you can see that and connect. For now, we are going to build an dice roll application. So after this, you have to delete the hello world application, then drag a text view in your constraint layout. A constraint layout, already we have a layout known as constraint layout. In this layer there are multiple layouts. We are going to use constraint layout because it is flexible than any other layout, and we can place anything anywhere just by giving a constraint. So I want this in middle. Okay, and this is on middle, but तो ऊपर थोड़ा सा. And for we here in declared attributes, you have two attributes, id and text. You have to change them to use it in a code. So text, I want text as a roll the dice, and ID is dice. Okay. The ID will play a major part in coding part of this application. You have to give a unique ID to everything. So please note that. And in we have to give some customization. So we are going to give text size. In common attributes, you can find text size, and we are giving a 30 SP size. So roll dice and that. Okay. Now we want a button in it. So this is our first application with button. So we are going to drag a button here and give a constraint to it. Constraint and this. Yes, and we are going to stretch it little bit. This is all UI stuff, your design, your you like it this much, you can do that. You like this much, you can do that. This is all personal test. I like this much, so I am going with that. And you are going to change text and ID of this button. Roll button. Oh, sorry. Roll dice, dice, and roll button. Okay, and we are going to change the text size to 34 24. Okay, so now our UI is done, so we can auto reload. uh,
Laukit,
auto. Yes.
someone wants to ask you to repeat the attributes part. What is that? What are
Okay.
attributes?
Okay, attributes. Attributes are more information or properties of this view or anything, views or buttons and any widget. Uh, like you have your name, you have your age, that describe your personality, right? How you look, how you behave. It's an attribute. Likewise, we have more info. We have to give more information about views and button to look to create a unique view or unique uh, widget on our application, right? So we are going to use the that will do with we are going to do with attributes. We can change the size, because size is a information about your view, and we want to change that. So that is an attribute. We can change the text size, we can change the text, we can change the ID. So this is giving more information about what this text view is for and how is going to look. That is the attribute. Anything related to your text or giving you more information about text is an attribute. uh, it is satisfactory answer, is it? Hello.
Yes, he says in Android Studio, I'm not able to see any text box. Where can we
Text.
find the text?
No, not a text box. We have to select a text view.
We have to go in activity main XML file first.
First you have to go to activity main.xml, then click on design, then you will have a palette of widgets and views and buttons, and in that go to text, and first option is a text view. Okay.
Okay, continue, Logan. Go ahead.
Okay, let's run this application. Terminate. Ah, yes. Roll the dice, and we have button also and our text also. Now we have we are going to dynamic means we are going to introduce some dynamic element to this application. This is very static and button is not doing anything for now. So for doing that, introducing a dynamic element, we have to go to our main activity, which reside in main Java and com.xml dice application, example.dice application, and main activity. So here, please don't remove anything. You this is needed code for running your application. So go and enter some lines after the set contain view, and then let's begin our coding session, or coding part of the session. Okay, uh, first चेक इज यू गो मीन्स आपने आईडी को सब यूनिक आईडी दिया है क्या नहीं सबको, क्योंकि वो मैंडेटरी है. सो मैंने दिया है, गिवन a rolling dice id and then a rolling button id. Okay, first you are going to create a variable that is stands for your button. So for doing that, create a val variable, because it going not going to change over time in a program. So we are going to choose a val variable, a role button, which is type of a button, android.widget button. So, and equal to, we are going to use a find view by id. In find view by id, we are going to write r.id dot, we want our rolling button, so we are going to type rolling button. So now this roll button variable can access any attribute of this roll button component. So we are going to use, we want something happen after clicking this button, right? So if you want to do something after the click, you have to listen कि वो click हो रहा है क्या नहीं. And for that we have a on click listener. So to do that, we going to do roll button dot set on click listener, or on click listener means after click do something. मीन्स क्लिक हुआ तो ये करो, क्लिक नहीं हुआ तो मत करो. सो ऑन क्लिक लिसनर, सो क्लिक हुआ, we are going to get the range, or 1 to, we are going to randomly say 1 to 6 numbers. So to do that, we have to create a range for that. So to do that, we are going to create a val variable again, because it's going to not going to change over time. And this is going to be name range, and that range is int range. Int range is a variable data type where you can specify a range of integers. There are many type of range variables like char range, float range. Any primitive data types have a range that is, you can declare that range by giving a primitive data type and then a range. So int range, we are go, because the dice will show us 1 2 3 4 5 6 and all are integers. So we are going to use int range, and to define a range, we are going to do 1 dot 6. So this dot dot means 1 to 6. Anything between 1 and 6, and both 1 and 6 is going to store in that range variable, which is a type of int range, or it is a range of integers. So now we want to store a random number from that range, and anybody know how to do that? Put it in the chat box if you know. Okay, no, okay, I will tell you. Okay, create a val variable, because it gonna it also वो भी नहीं change होने वाला कभी भी. and a random number, because we want our variable name to be as descriptive as possible, int and equal to range dot random. And this range dot random method is predefined in that range data type, so it will give us a random number from 1 to 6, or from this range, or 1 to 6. So this is like rolling the dice, and we are going to show that number in our text view. So to do that, we are going to declare a variable of dice, which is type of text view, and equal to find view by id, and r.id dot dice. So dice. And now you know why we are using a unique IDs in the activity.xml format, to uniquely point that widget or that activity. And we now we are we are going to show that random number which is stored in a random number variable in dice. To do that, we are going to use a dice attribute of text view known as set activity or set text, or text is the attribute, and we are going to use a method on that attribute. So dice dot set text, because set text only takes a string format, string data type. We are going to typecast the random number. So random number dot to string. This is known as a typecast, or dot to string returns random number in a string format. So that will won't break our code. And okay, now we are done. So is everybody with me till now? Raise your hand. Okay, 2, 3, okay, 4, 6, okay, 8, 9, okay, okay, चलेगा. ठीक है, let's go. Dice, and now we are going to run this application. So after running, you are going to see applies changes successfully finished in 1 second, any minute. And now we are going to press this roll dice button, and this is going to show us a 3, a 4, a 6, 6, 2, 4, 2, 3, 1. And this is our application, main application, or a small application with a button. Now we are going to you add image for images for the dice. Like if you roll the dice, it will show a face of dice with one dot, and then two. If it rolls two, it's going to show us two dots, etc., etc. But after a small break, so we are going to take a small break. You can, okay, any questions and queries, you can put it in a chat box. And Karan has shared a bit link. Please download that bit link and unzip that file. You will using that file uh, for next application, or for modifying your existing rolling dice rolling application. And if your application is not successfully built, or something happen, error is happening, so tell us in the chat box. We will rectify that error, and you can follow along with me with our app dice with images, dice roller application with images. Okay. Okay, can you show your id screen? Okay, this is my id screen. Anything else? Alas. Okay. एनीथिंग मीन्स किसी को कुछ शेयर करना है, क्या बोलना है, मैंने ये ऐप बनाया, वो ऐप बनाया, आफ्टर फर्स्ट सेशन मैंने ये किया, वो किया, यू कैन से, और चैट बॉक्स में डालो, वी कैन गिव यू परमिशन टू स्पीक. ओके. फॉर इफ ब्रेक चल रहा है तो आई वांट टू से कि सेशन 1, गो टू सेशन 1. So, if you want certificate for this Android study jams and all, you can go to this link. We हमने share करके रखा है, but फिर से मैं बता रहा हूँ एक बार, भूलना मत. Go to this link and create, finish all the unit. Okay, this is for track 1 and this is for track 2. This is for track 1, this is for track 2. There is 2 unit in track 2, there are 3 unit in track 1. So finish all the units and achieve every batch in it. So then you will get your certificate. For track 1 we are going to provide you certificate, and for track 2, if you complete track 2, you are going to get certificate from Google. Okay. इज एवरीथिंग क्लियर? मीन्स किसी ने स्टार्ट किया है करना अभी तक? आई एम गेटिंग एन एरर कॉल्ड अनेबल टू इंस्टॉल ग्रेडल व्हाइल क्रिएटिंग अ न्यू प्रोजेक्ट. सो ओके, मीन्स टू इट्स योर यस मी एट अ रोल डाइस रोलर ओनली. ओके. नहीं, वो मुझे ये एरर नहीं आया. करण, कैन यू हेल्प अस? ओके, करण, करण ने बेसिक का दिया है. ग्रेडल फाइल बिल्ड नहीं हो. ओके, ग्रेडल नहीं है तो न्यू प्रोजेक्ट नहीं चलेगा. तुझे फर्स्ट ग्रेडल इंस्टॉल करना पड़ेगा और फिर न्यू प्रोजेक्ट का करना पड़ेगा. सो टू डू दैट यू हैव टू फॉलो द 1.5 एंड्रॉइड सेशन. आई विल शेयर अ लिंक. प्लीज शेयर अ लिंक. Okay, let's begin our dice roll application now after 10 minutes break, 10 to 5 minute break. So our application is looking like this. Okay, ये इतना अच्छा नहीं दिख रहा क्योंकि डाइस रोल नहीं हो रहा, नंबर दिख रहा है. हमें नंबर नहीं चाहिए, हमें अब इमेज चाहिए कौन सी तो. सो वी आर गोइंग टू चेंज some things in activity main. So we are going to remove this rolling dice text view because we want our image view, and we are going to give a constraint to the rolling button here. Okay, and we are going to add common image view. So after image view, add image. In here, pick a resource tab. You are going to click on add resource to the module or a plus button on your left, and then import drawables. So I guess आपने सबने अनजिप करके रखा है डाइस इमेजेस फोल्डर जो करण ने सेंड किया था, डाउनलोड करके अनजिप किया है. बट इफ यू डोंट, please unzip karo, go to your downloads folder, then unzip it and then come back, and after select a path, download dice images and select every image from this application, this folder, and click on OK. So every application, every image from that application or from that folder will be imported to your app, and click on import. So this is that this is application is imported your Android studio, or the app is imported your app images resource in resource folders in drawables. So that is that. And click on dice1 or .1, क्योंकि हमें फर्स्ट 1 दिखाना है. मीन्स वो डिफॉल्ट केस होगा कि जो भी 1 दिखाएगा वो डिफॉल्ट है, और बाद में फिर रोल किया तो अलग 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 दिखेंगे. सो dice1 and then okay, and then this is a UI thing. So if you want इतना बड़ा वाला डाइस you can do that. If you want this इतना छोटा डाइस you can do that. I like middle. This is good. So to this वो constraint दो, constraint देना मत भूलो. And this is center. So ये center में आया, and after that give a ID to your dice, and we are going to use a dice ID because हमने वो text view निकाल दिया. So dice ID is empty, so we are going to do that. And dice ID and empty dice है, so ये है. So अभी आपने रन किया आपका ऐप तो एरर देगा, क्योंकि आपने यहाँ यूज किया है बट सेट टेक्स्ट तो इमेज में नहीं है. सो वो एरर दे सकता है. और इफ आपने अप्लाई चेंजेस एंड रिस्टार्ट एक्टिविटी किया तब भी एरर देगा, बिकॉज आपने टेक्स्ट व्यू निकाला है और इमेज व्यू डाला है. आई थिंक एरर देगा, देना तो चाहिए. हाँ दिया, एरर देगा कि आईडी इमेज व्यू आईडी हमने एप्लीकेशन रिस्टार्ट किया नहीं, रिस्टार्ट किया है बट आईडी चेंजेस की है. सो ये एरर कुछ नहीं है, ये आफ्टर आपने हार्ड रिलोड किया तो चला जाएगा, उसका टेंशन नहीं है. बट ये ध्यान में रखो कि आफ्टर एनीथिंग मीन्स आपने आईडी चेंज किया, इमेज व्यू से टेक्स्ट व्यू में चेंजेस किए, सब किया, तो आपको हार्ड रिलोड करना पड़ेगा. एंड इफ आपने यूआई चेंजेस ना करते लॉजिक चेंजेस किए तो आप सॉफ्ट रीसेट सॉफ्ट स्टार्ट भी कर सकते हैं, अप्लाई चेंजेस ओनली, ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं. So is everybody with me till now? Great one. I have made a coffee order. कड़क कड़क चलेगा, अच्छा है वो. You can share that code, means that application with us on GitHub, and we can showcase it for Google, क्योंकि इसके बाद ऐसा भी होने वाला है कि गूगल ने सब एंड्रॉयड फैसिलिटेटर से बोला है कि 5 प्रोजेक्ट जो आपके डीएससी से सबसे अच्छे आपको लगे वो हमें दो, फिर गूगल उससे फिल्टर करेगा और गूगल विल प्रमोट यू ऑन गूगल प्ले स्टोर. ऐसा लिखा तो है बट you can do that. So share the project with us. Any project you can share with us in Kotlin only, yeah? And then let's begin. Now हमारे पास text view नहीं है, so this code is redundant, and this is not a text view, this is going to be a image view. तो बाकी कोड सेम रहने वाला है, अब यहाँ चेंजेस हो गए. तो कैन एनीबडी टेल मी कि क्या लॉजिक अप्लाई कर सकते हो आप, हाउ टू चेंज दिस इमेज फ्रॉम 1 to 2 to 2 to 3. यू हैव images here, okay, drawables में images आते हैं, so you have that. But can anybody tell me कि क्या लॉजिक अप्लाई करेंगे टू चेंज द डाइस इमेजेस हियर, स्विच केस.
Just raise your hand. We can give you
हाँ
mic. You can
हाँ
talk.
हाँ, raise your hand, raise your hand. Okay, Prince M wants to talk, Niranjan and Prabhu P. Okay, किसी एक को
Gaurav,
दे
yeah,
दो.
hand over the mic.
Okay, just a minute. Can you raise your hand? I can't see any raised hands.
ये डेफिनेटली करना, और हम गूगल डॉक्स सेंड करने वाले हैं तब आपके इसका क्या बोलते हैं, स्विच अकाउंट नहीं, कहा गया, प्लेटफॉर्म एंड्रॉइड स्टूडियो डेवलपर्स. नो नो नो, वेयर इज दिस. there is a platform where you can see every badge you earn. So you have to click your screenshot, take a screenshot of that and share with us to verify you have done everything in the track. वो ले लेना, हम रोल आउट करने वाले हैं गूगल फॉर्म्स, सो जल्दी से जल्दी करो 25 जान से पहले। तो किसी एक को दे दो। ओके, कौन कौन है? निरंजन, प्रभु बी, अल्मास, प्रिंस एम एंड अहदियो मार्टिना। ओके, निरंजन को दे दो।
अलमास को दिया मैंने, अलमास को।
ओके, चलेगा चलेगा, बोलो। हेलो, हेलो।
ओके, निरंजन को।
हाँ, निरंजन को दे दो। हेलो निरंजन। हेलो।
Niranjan, you can unmute yourself and speak.
हाँ, you can unmute now. तो किसी ने तो करेक्ट आंसर दिया था कि स्विच केस। आकाश की करेक्ट है। आकाश, you can use switch case, and switch case is the optimum way to do that. You can do for loop also if you want, but switch case is a optimum way to do that. So okay, we are going to do a switch case of when. Then when in Kotlin, switch case is known as when. Switch keyword is replaced by when. So you are, मैं switch case बोल रहा हूँ but आपको type when करना है. So when. And in other languages where switch case is there, you have to do case one and do something, etc etc. But in Kotlin, आपको when random number, in random number there are range, or it can be a number, means array हो सकता है, ये हो सकता है, जो भी उसका valid इनपो उसके पास डेटा रहने वाला है वो सब देना है। मीन्स here you are going to see 1, so for me 2, so I am going to copy paste because copy paste करना अच्छा है और जल्दी हो जाता है काम। 3 4 5 and 6, so there are 6 cases. मीन्स रैंडम नंबर, ये 6 में से कोई तो एक हो सकता है। सो आफ्टर दिस एरो हमें देना है कि क्या करे। इफ रैंडम नंबर इज 1, what to do. If random number is 2, what to do. So this arrow is, क्या you can say it depict वो दिखा रहा है कि what to do when random number is 1. So if random number is 1, we have to do dice dot set image a image drawable. So after drawable, we have to do r dot drawable dot dice1, or image set फंक्शन। अरे नहीं नहीं नहीं, सेट द इमेज नहीं, सेट इमेज क्या था? इमेज इमेज करेक्ट है ना मेरा? इमेज ड्रॉबल, नहीं, यहाँ वो लगेगा। Set image icon in
Set
resource.
image resource.
Resource, yeah, set image resource, sorry मैं भूल गया था। Set image resource and r.drawable dot dice 1. Can anybody tell me what is this R? From course also you can say. Varun, I know you want to say. Say. Boल दो सबको, what is R in this context?
We are allowed to say. Okay.
बोल
Resource.
करण बोल.
Yeah, people are typing there.
Okay.
डेवलपर प्रोफाइल, सॉरी नहीं, हाँ डेवलपर प्रोफाइल, या मैं भूल गया, डेवलपर प्रोफाइल प्रिंस है। रिसोर्स ओके, रिसोर्स डायरेक्टरी, ठीक है चलो। यस, तो वो है व्हेन इफ स्विच केस, इफ वन रैंडम नंबर इज 1 सेट इमेज 1, इफ 2 then 2 then 3 then 3, वो करेक्ट है, वो ऐसा मीन्स नंबर करेक्टली देख के दो, नहीं तो 2 को 2 और 3 को भी 2 होगा तो आपको लगेगा कुछ तो गड़बड़ है। सो आफ्टर दिस नाउ रन योर एप्लीकेशन। Okay. Oh, reinstall your application because we do something, we change some things. So reinstall your application and this is your application now, and press your roll dice button and it done. Why? Set image resource, correct hai? Dice set image. What is the error? Main image cannot, क्या हुआ? Cannot be cast image view. This R button, okay. Oh, हाँ,
ID.
आईडी चेंज नहीं हुआ, ओके, उसके वजह से मैंने बोला ना, आईडी इज मेन एट्रीब्यूट यू हैव टू चेंज। एंड क्या बोल रहा है वो, डाइस क्यों नहीं हो सकता इसको? डाइस
ID
इज
dice.
ऑलरेडी डिफाइंड अर्लियर इन दिस, ओके, ये नया है, तो यू हैव टू डू डाइस इमेज, यस डाइस इमेज, डुप्लीकेट नहीं है वैसे। डाइस इमेज एंड रन, होना तो नहीं चाहिए ये। देखो ऐसा भी होता है कभी कभी, एरर आपको आते भी एरर आ सकते हैं, टेंशन ना लो, कुछ सॉल्यूशन निकलेगा। तो आफ्टर रोलिंग बटन वो क्या बोल रहा है, इमेज व्यू कांट बी इमेज टेक्स्ट, वाई? इमेज व्यू किसका आया है? इंपोर्ट नहीं, निकाल दो। एंड आफ्टर दैट गो टू XML, कोड में जाओ, कोड में क्या बोल रहा है वो, इमेज कंस्ट्रेन लेआउट का ये चेंज क्यों हुआ? वी डोंट वांट कंस्ट्रेन लेआउट,
वो नहीं करना है।
हाँ वही,
हाँ अभी रन करके देख।
नहीं बटन में, बटन का भी रोल है और इमेज व्यू का भी रोल है, सो मुझे यहाँ डाइस इमेज चाहिए।
नहीं वो कंस्ट्रेंट का है,
इमेज
बराबर था
का
वो।
है, ये इमेज का है, डाइस नहीं,
आईडी
डाइस,
नहीं है वो एट्रीब्यूट,
ओ आईडी नहीं है, या
बराबर था वो।
पेरेंट करना है यहाँ, पेरेंट एंड यहाँ डाइस इमेज, करेक्ट है आईडी,
रन इट।
ओके run it now. So now it should run. And ये क्या हुआ, I don't know, थोड़ा सा UI एलिमेंट गड़बड़ हुई, ठीक है, वो अच्छे से करके, हाँ वही, हाँ डन, ठीक है, रन इट, AVD is starting, हाँ, so this is your dice roller application. It shows different faces for different things, different number, and correctly shows every number, I guess. But no, code to correct hai, so yeah, it showed different number, different image for different numbers randomly. Now schedule जैसे we after dice roller application layout means वो application हुआ, is everybody with me, means Kahoot quiz लेना है, so yes, GOT my fourth batch of unit, okay, unit 1.
Priyanka has a doubt. Address that. Okay.
Okay, what is significant of parent? Okay, think CSS position absolute, yeah, वैसे भी देख सकते हो, और see this application, this view is between means ये किसी के ऊपर है, और you can say this is a tree, means आप imagine करो एक ट्री बिल्ड कर रहे हो, सो ट्री में सबसे ऊपर पेरेंट होगा, उसके नोड्स होंगे, वो नोड्स को हम चिल्ड्रन बोलेंगे, और चिल्ड्रन के चिल्ड्रन होंगे, और मल्टीपल ऐसा हो सकता है. सो इमेजिन एंड्रॉयड एप्लीकेशन लेआउट, हाँ लेआउट में बोल रहा हूँ, एंड्रॉयड एप्लीकेशन एज अ ट्री. सो जो भी आपका लेआउट है वो पेरेंट है, वो सबसे टॉप में है. सो उसके अंदर मल्टीपल व्यूज होंगे, सो वो व्यूज becomes a children of that layout, so layout is parent. okay, so मैंने जब यहाँ चेंज किया कि layout constraint to top of means किसके ऊपर to parent, so उसको उसने कोड ने लिटरली लिया कि लेआउट के ऊपर ये व्यू चाहिए, so हमारा वो ऊपर गया, बट मुझे ये उस इस लेवल के मीन्स ये बटन के ऊपर चाहिए था, मीन्स जो भी आप करेंगे मीन्स कंस्ट्रेन के अंदर व्यूज होंगे, व्यूज के अंदर मल्टीपल व्यूज होंगे, सो दैट व्यूज के अंदर का व्यू का पेरेंट है वो व्यू, मीन्स A is a view and A has A1, A2, A3 as a sub views or children views. So A1 का पेरेंट है A एंड A का पेरेंट है जो लेआउट में. सो आप ट्री इमेजिन करो, तो वो अच्छे से समझेगा कि क्या पेरेंट होता है और क्या चाइल्ड, एंड वो कैसा है, वो अच्छे से हम UI एलिमेंट एडजस्ट कर सकते हैं, जैसे हम CSS में करते हैं एब्सोल्यूट रिलेटिव से. आपको एक एब्सोल्यूट रखना है, एक रिलेटिव रखना है, तो आपको एक ट्री इमेजिन करना पड़ता है, जो भी पेरेंट है उसका, उसको रेफरेंस लेके कितना नीचे चाहिए, कितना लेफ्ट को चाहिए, कितना राइट को चाहिए, लाइक दैट ओनली. So anything added, it cannot be for every app. Yes, trees. Yes, Prince M. Okay. So is everybody ready for Kahoot quiz? Raise your hand. Okay, दो तो हैंड है. सब करो, सब रेडी है. आई नो सबको 400 रुपए का प्राइस चाहिए. ठीक है. Okay. So Karan, should we start with Kahoot quiz?
Yeah, cool.
Okay. And Gaurav? Okay.
Or Dhruvil is going to start.
Dhruvil, yeah. For this session,
Dhruval will be doing this time.
yeah, for this session we have new Kahoot master, Dhruvil. You can start.
I'll start.
sorry. I will stop my presentation.
Everyone can see the code, the game pin.
Is my screen visible?
Yeah.
So you have to just enter this in your PC or your whatever you're joining, and then you have to enter the game pin, and then just you have to wait for the quiz to start. I'll be starting the quiz by 11:10.
Rekar is here. Prince M, Priyanka, Param, Uday, Rohit, Ashmira, Ahadi, आर्या जमन आ जाओ सब है, सब आ जाओ 50 के 50 आ जाओ रे। साक्षी 39 attendees are 51 जल्दी जल्दी ज्वाइन करो गाइस। Nickname.
I'll be starting the quiz in 4 minutes, so join.
जिन्होंने भी मोबाइल से ज्वाइन किया है और पिन भी मोबाइल मीन्स कहूट भी मोबाइल से ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं उनके लिए मैं डिक्टेट करूंगा, टेंशन मत लो। सो सिर्फ ध्यान से सुनो मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ।
And during the quiz, if you have a problem, do mention it in the chat box.
Dhruval, you can start now.
Yes.
Okay. So I'm starting the quiz.
Okay. Android Study Jam Session 2. Android app development using Kotlin. 3, 2, 1. So first question is the layout of design of an Android application is saved in red.txt file, blue.dex file, yellow.java file, or green.xml file. Again, the layout or design of an Android application is saved in red.txt file, blue.dex file, yellow.java file, or .xml file, green. And 31 of you give a correct answer, green.xml file.
Okay. So probably there is a 3 or 4 second lag. So just make sure that you answer the question as fast as possible.
Yes.
I'm moving on to the next question.
So
Rohit is leading with 800 points.
So second question is what activity method you used to retrieve a reference to an Android view by using the ID attribute of an resource XML. Find view by reference with int ID, retrieve resource by ID, find view by ID yellow with int, and find view by ID with string green. Means red is find view by reference, blue is retrieve resource by ID, then yellow is find view by ID with int, and green is find view by ID string. So 16 of you give correct answer. Okay, 15 majority thinks find view by reference. Okay. uh,
So Rohit is still leading. We'll move on to the third question.
Okay, what is in the name of a folder that contains r.java file? src, res, gen, or bin? So r.java means r reference जो भी ले रहे वो. Red is src, yellow is gen or gn, blue is res or res, and green is bin, bin. So
Only
two
two
of
of you
you.
answered the question correctly.
Gen. Okay.
So this is a true or false
True or
question, and you have 20 seconds to answer this question.
scroll view can contain only one view or view group as a children. True or false? Blue is true, red is false. True, scroll view can contain only one view or view group as a children. I can't see the question and the timing is lagging for me. ओके यू कहूट ऐप पे नहीं दिखेगा क्वेश्चन, आपको हमारी स्क्रीन देखनी पड़ेगी. सो ड्यूअल सिस्टम लगने वाला है आपको, बट मैं बता रहा हूँ, ध्यान से सुनो सिर्फ. इफ यू वांट टू गिव अ क्विज, गिव दिस क्विज. Vreka first. Okay. What is the correct statement about XML layout file? A layout PNG file, red, blue, a file used to draw content of an activity, yellow, a file that contain a single activity widget, or green, none of the above. Again, what is the correct statement about XML layout file? Red, a PNG file, blue, a file used to draw content of an activity, yellow, a file that contains single widget, green, none of the above. Majority is correct, a file used to draw content of an activity.
We'll move on to the sixth question.
What does the src folder contains? Red, image and icon files. Blue, the application manifest file. Green, xml file resource files. Yellow, xml resource files. Green, kotlin source code files. Again, what does the source file folder contains? Image, red image and icons. The application manifest file. Blue, yellow xml resource file, and green kotlin source code. Correct. Source kotlin source code.
So Rohit is still leading, and you can catch up. You have still 4 questions to go.
Yeah. So next is a blank space represents by default the item in a row or column when using grid layout. Grid, red, spam, blue, list, yellow, layout, green. A blank space represents by default the item in a row or column when using grid layout. Red, grid, blue, spam, list, yellow, layout, green. And
So
correct
it's
answer is spam.
so we'll move on to the next question. It's a true or false question, and you have just 20 seconds to answer the question.
When used, the enable attribute determines if a view is visible, true or false. When used, the enable attribute determines if view is visible. Blue, true, red, false. Correct. False is correct. Enable attribute से view disable means visible and not visible नहीं होता. Enable attribute से वो जो भी टच कर आप कर सकते हो मीन्स बटन हो तो क्लिक नहीं हो सकता. Enable वो डिसाइड करता है. एंड विजिबल के लिए सेट विजिबल का अलग विजिबिलिटी का अलग एट्रीब्यूट है.
So we'll move on to the next question.
I think second last question. Which programming language is used for Android application development? Red, Node.js, blue, JSX, yellow, PHP, and green, Kotlin. So, which programming language is used for Android application development? Node, JSX, Node.js, red, blue, JSX, yellow, PHP, Kotlin, green. Okay. Node.js. ओके JSX का मुझे पता है. PHP एंड Node.js से कैसे करेंगे?
So we'll move on to the let's see the leaderboard. Zaman is leading, and this is the last question. So it's your
So
last chance
Adi
to
and Rohit
come on
can
the
catch
podium.
up. Yeah. In which directory XML file are stored? Red /asset, blue /src, yellow /resource/value, and green /resource/layout. In which folder XML file layout files are stored? Red assets, blue resource, yellow resource के अंदर values, and green resource के अंदर layout.
So /resource/layout is the correct answer, and let's see who's leading the leaderboard and who's on the podium. Rohit is third, Adi is second, and Zaman is first. So we would like to congratulate all the participants on the podium. And I'd like to ask Lokik to continue with the session.
If Zaman could please message us on Instagram, like mail, we will give him the details.
Zaman, if you could just drop your email ID in the chat box and we will mail you the details of the prize. And once again, congratulations. Loki, you can continue now.
Congratulations, Zaman, and thank you, Dhruvil. Let's start building our application for input, get user input from user input in Android application. So not this, okay, and let me start my this and let's begin. हमने यहाँ यहाँ से यहाँ लीव किया था, हमारा डाइस रोलर एप्लीकेशन रेडी है. We want to create now a tip calculating application. So go to file, a new project, new file, a project. So like we जैसे हमने किया था वैसे select Android, then go to empty activity, select that, go to next, then give name to your project, anything. For this application we are going to create a tip calculating application, and then select language Kotlin, not Java. Kotlin is mandatory. Then and then click on finish. So it will create a new application. If आपने existing app के ऊपर ही किया है तो Gradle cache करके रखता है, so Gradle build करने का टाइम कम हो जाता है. so मेरा Gradle build हो गया है. so आपके लिए 10-19 हुए हैं, so 10-21 तक रुकता है सब Gradle build होने तक, and then we will start building our application till time. If you have meanwhile you have any questions you can ask. 10-21 तक ही रुकते हैं क्योंकि कैश करके रखा है. सो प्लीज स्लोली, ओके, प्लीज स्लोली जाता हूँ. ओके, प्लीज स्लोली. ठीक है, ये डाइस रोलर का नहीं, 20-21 या डाइस रोलर का बंद कर सकता हूँ मैं, टर्मिनेट. ओके, बाद में 20. So anything created? Yes. 21 हो गया. I think सबका होना चाहिए Gradle build. So let's begin. So for tip calculating application we need a UI, a good UI, क्योंकि हमें for tip calculating हमें first Android बिल अमाउंट लेना है, कितना बिल हुआ, क्या हुआ, वो सब. देन वी आर गोइंग टू टेक यूजर इनपुट कि कितना टिप देना है, मीन्स 20%, 15%, 10%, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. देन वी आर गोइंग टू से कि आपको राउंड करना है क्या नहीं, क्योंकि कभी कभी 10%, 15% बोला, एंड इफ किसी का को ऐसा बिल अमाउंट हो ऑड ऑड वाला, और 15% ऑफ दैट इज गोइंग टू गिव अस point something something something. So we want a 0 0 in last, क्योंकि अब कोई पॉइंट तक तो नहीं टिप करेगा ना, सो राउंड करना है. सो वी आर गोइंग टू सी हाउ टू राउंड दैट थिंग. ठीक है, इन सब का यूआई बनाना है. वी हैव टू शो व्हाट इज टिप, मींस कितनी टिप हुई है, एंड देन टोटल अमाउंट और टोटल बिल जितना हमें पे करना है उतना. सो फॉर दैट वी नीड टेक्स्ट व्यू, बटन व्यू, switch, radio buttons and many more. means हमें बहुत UI एलिमेंट इस ऐप में यूज करने हैं. सो धीरे धीरे मैं UI बनाता हूँ, वैसे बनाते जाओ, मेरे फॉलो अलोंग विथ मी. एंड इफ एनी मीन्स क्वेश्चन हो तो पुट इट इन चैट बॉक्स, एंड एक एक होने के बाद मैं पूछूंगा, वैसे वैसे यस नो करते हो, और रेज योर हैंड, core will tell me कि सबका हुआ है क्या नहीं. ओके, so let's begin with our UI. so first we want label text view as labels, क्योंकि हमें first bill amount लेनी है. so bill amount, and bill amount will be 24, means थोड़ा बड़ा चाहिए क्योंकि दिखना चाहिए लोगों को. and वो ये अब कंस्ट्रेंट विजेट के लेआउट में से थोड़े से चेंजेस हम करेंगे। जैसे यहाँ 50-50 लिखा है, मीन्स बीच में वी डोंट वांट 50-50। लेफ्ट साइड से ये 20 चाहिए और ऊपर से ये ओके कितना 8 चाहिए, 8 नहीं क्या बोल सकते हैं 10 चाहिए। so this is the bill amount, and after bill amount we are going to create multiple first we are going to create multiple labels। so bill amount चाहिए, control C control V, then shift से कुछ नहीं होता, सॉरी मैं भूल गया था। तो ये हुआ। आफ्टर दैट वी नीड अमाउंट, बिल अमाउंट के बाद मुझे टिप पूछनी है, कितनी टिप दोगे? परसेंटेज ऑफ टिप। आफ्टर दैट we will ask want to round, and then we have two labels more known as tip and total total total। ठीक है, ये थोड़ा सा यूआई थिंग्स को ध्यान में रखो, अच्छे से यूआई बनाओ। मैं बेसिक यूआई बनाने वाला हूँ, बट इफ यू वांट टू डू समथिंग एल्स कि मुझे ये ऐसा नहीं चाहिए, मुझे वो वैसा नहीं चाहिए, प्लीज डू दैट एंड शेयर योर calculating application with us so we can share that application with Google। okay, constraint layout कितना है ये? constraint layout से constraint layout 15 10 15 25, after that 15 25, okay, no, not 25, it's 45, 15, हाँ चलेगा, एंड ये भी 15, यहाँ चलेगा बस। ठीक है, इज एवरीबॉडी विथ मी? रेज योर हैंड। ओके, 4 जन ने किया, करण ने किया, ओके सब है, ठीक है चलो। नेक्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू बिल्ड ओके, नाउ वी वांट अ बटन जहाँ हम क्लिक करें और वो फिर कैलकुलेट करके बताए। सो आवर बटन विल गो हियर and center of these two with center of left and right. So this is our button with that much width, and calculate, and here ID is tipcal. Okay, so tipcal. After that, now we want widgets or views which can take input from the user। so for a text view means जो भी text हम type करेंगे वो एक अलग view में जाएगा, जो भी हम select करेंगे वो अलग view में जाएगा, वैसा वैसा करते we have multiple input types और input views जहाँ से हम input ले सकते हैं। for first bill amount we are going to use edit text or plain text, and you put that here, center of amount and percentage, and and center of this. Okay, okay, Done. And then for percent type, we are going to use first a group element. So radio group, we want to use a radio button, means जो होता है ना कि एक सिलेक्ट किया तो सब ऑफ हो जाते हैं इन सेकेंड, वो गोल वाला, नॉट चेक बॉक्स, वो दूसरा वाला, सो वो वाला. So to use that, we first you have to use a group, radio group. So वो ग्रुप हो जाता है कि जो इफेक्ट आता है कि एक को क्लिक किया तो बाकी दो डिससिलेक्ट हो गए, मीन्स अनचेक्ड हो गए, वो वाला इफेक्ट हम रेडियो ग्रुप से ला सकते हैं. सो फर्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू यूज अ रेडियो ग्रुप and extend that here, and then we are going to use 3 radio buttons. First, okay, radio button, second, and radio button third. So this, okay, now we have radio button, image, थोड़ा सा नीचे, रेडियो बटन को कंस्ट्रेन, ये इसके ना, रेडियो बटन को कंस्ट्रेन ये इसके एंड इसके बीच चाहिए, सो सब स्पेस्ड आउट दिखे और अच्छा दिखे. एंड आफ्टर दैट, for want to round, we are going to use a switch type, switch. So switch एक दो, which will be center of this and that. So I think center नहीं चाहिए, थोड़ा सा ऊपर, yeah. So switch, want to round a switch, and switch का टेक्स्ट हटा दो क्योंकि हमने लेबल ऑलरेडी दिया है स्विच को. हाँ, ओके, कैंसल. स्विच को लेबल दिया है, सो स्विच को टेक्स्ट की जरूरत नहीं है. एंड आफ्टर डूइंग दैट, okay, give a id to the switch like is round. We are going to use that id to access this switch variable. So click and then to text view, first is this here. So first, second, with 30, okay, 24, okay, 24, and remove the text, give id as tip text, remove text, give id as tip text, and then second text view with text id, text size is 24, and वो इसके ऊपर के टेक्स्ट के नीचे टेक्स्ट, and here and here, line up correctly, line that up, and remove the text, text, okay, remove the text and give id as total text. okay. check कि आपने सब तरफ आईडी दिया है क्या नहीं. टोटल टेक्स्ट को दिया है, टिप टेक्स्ट को दिया है, फॉर बटन इज टिप कैल, देन फॉर स्विच इज राउंड, देन ओके, राउंड बटन्स को फर्स्ट हमें टेक्स्ट देना है 20%, फर्स्ट का 20% विथ आईडी टिप 20, for second is 15%, for id 50, tip 15, and last wala is 10% tip. For id we are going to give a tip 10. So this is our final UI. So final UI, select ID, check IDs is radio button group. Yeah, radio button group को radio group is the ID and we are going to use that only क्योंकि वो ज़्यादा descriptive है क्योंकि हमने radio buttons यूज किए हैं और वो उसका group है. So radio button radio group and then after that text name. Okay, यहाँ से name निकालना है और we are going to use only input type as a number, not anything else. So we are click on true here and click false here. So क्लिक फॉल्स एवरीवेयर मीन जहाँ भी ट्रू दिखे वहाँ फॉल्स कर दो. सिर्फ नंबर चाहिए हमें क्योंकि एनी करेंसी में नंबर टेक्स्ट नहीं होता ना, नंबर होते. सो ओनली नंबर्स. डन. So you can now run this application and it will show up here. UI element. हाँ ओके, हमने कंस्ट्रेंट नहीं दिया इसको, ठीक है, वो करना है हमें. नाउ यू कैन ऐड. ओके एंड यू कैन सिलेक्ट एंड क्लिक. सो सब हो रहा है, सिर्फ ये UI का है. मैं चेंज करता. सो मैं चेंज करने तक इफ एनी बडी हैज एनी डाउट और समथिंग कि हमने हमने ये नहीं किया वो नहीं किया ऐसा कुछ और ये एरर आ रहा वो एरर आ रहा ऐसा कुछ है तो बोल दो अभी. हो गया, ठीक है. आई टेक इट एज अ नो, किसी को एरर नहीं है. ओके ओके मैं देख लेता एक बार फिर से. नो. ओके नो हैंड रेज. सो चलो नेक्स्ट वाला. ओके नेक्स्ट वाला ये हुआ ये हुआ ये हुआ. सो नाउ मेन एक्टिविटी में जैसे मैंने पहले बोला था क्लास मेन एक्टिविटी क्लास को हाथ नहीं लगाना है हमें सेट कंटेन व्यू को जाना है. एंड आफ्टर दैट फर्स्ट वी हैव टू क्रिएट अ वेरिएबल val to store to address our cal button and which is type of a button which will be find using find view by id, not find view by resource. And this find view by id method takes an integer and this integer is going to be very important for following code. So please pay attention. And for pay we are going to address a r.id dot हमें चाहिए cal button. ओके क्या नाम दिया था मैंने उसका आईडी. व्हाट इज द आईडी ऑफ दिस कैल. टिप कैल. ओके सॉरी टिप कैल. सो वी आर गो हमने वो एड्रेस किया. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू गिव that application on click listener. So set on click listener. In that now we want everything in a variable. So we have to create four variables for each and every input view. So first is val bill amount. So which is a text view, sorry edit view, edit text. And amount ka a should be uppercase because camel case. And then find view by id r.id dot what is the tip bill amount nahi total text amount. okay iska id kya tha. let's see what is the id of this button. attributes id is okay मैंने id नहीं दिया इसको. so bill amt is good id for this. so we are going to use build amt here. val. so for next we have a radio button, a radio group. so we are going to use a radio group equal to find view by id r dot id dot radio group. So वो हुआ. Then val is round is a switch and equal to find view r dot id dot is round. So this, and next uh, anything is remaining, I'll guess not. ठीक है. So हमने वो सब लिया है और we want to change this tip amount and total amount also, right? So we are going to address that also. Valve tip text is a text view equal to find view r dot id dot tip text and val total text, yes, which is also a text view, which find view r dot id dot total text. So done and done. So now we have.
Lokik, can we pause for a moment?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, if anyone has any doubts, they can just add it on the chat. And meanwhile, Lokik, you can just mute yourself. So,
Okay.
is anyone having any doubt? So I guess you don't have any doubts, right? Everyone is understanding, so we can just go forward.
बोलो, कुछ तो क्वेश्चन हो तो बोलो, मैं कुछ एक्स्ट्रा बता दूंगा. If anyone has any doubt, I guess I will ping on Android chat at Discord. Okay, चलेगा. वहाँ वहाँ इंटरेक्टिव करो, यहाँ इंटरेक्टिव करो एंड फॉलो अलोंग. किसी को कुछ एरर है तो बता दो, मीन्स हम यही रेक्टिफाई करेंगे. और जितने ज़्यादा एरर होंगे उतना अच्छा है, पता है, क्योंकि उतना ज़्यादा सीखने को मिलेगा कि क्यों एरर आ रही है, क्या एरर आ रही है, ये सब. सो लेट्स बिगिन आदर. चलो चलते आगे. सो हमने ये सब लिया. तो सब वेरिएबल में इनिशियलाइजेशन हो गया है कि कौन सा वेरिएबल क्या पॉइंट करेगा इन यूआई एलिमेंट. सो वी आर नाउ गोइंग टू सी how to calculate a tip, and this is very basic logic how to calculate a tip. So for that, we first we are going to use a variable var, which is a tip, or which is a type of double, because we are going to use a percentage. So it going to वो point में हो सकता है, rational number में हो सकता है. So tip is a variable of type double. And then anybody can tell me how मैं कैसे bill amount से ले सकता हूँ tip में, is equal to कैसे कैसे इनिशियलाइज कर सकता हूँ मैं. हेलो, ठीक है, मैं बताता हूँ. बिल अमाउंट डॉट टेक्स्ट, इससे तुम ये ले सकते हो, क्या बोलते हो उसको, टेक्स्ट में, मीन्स टेक्स्ट बिल अमाउंट का टेक्स्ट ले सकते हो. बट ये एरर दे रहा है मुझे. सॉरी, क्या, डॉट टेक्स्ट डॉट एंड इसको पास करना पड़ेगा. सॉरी, डबल टिप विल बी, सॉरी, अमाउंट करना है ना, मैं भी भूल जाता हूँ. बिल अमाउंट, and bill amount will be integer int, and here bill amount will be int. So we don't need this, we need integer dot parse int. and we will pass that string to integer dot pass string, and it should give us error. एरर नहीं, क्यों एरर दे रहा है ये? टू स्ट्रिंग, या टू स्ट्रिंग, क्योंकि वो नलेबल हो सकता है। सो यहाँ हम उसको एक्सेप्शन हैंडल कर रहे हैं कि वो नल ना हो। सो टू स्ट्रिंग, सो टू स्ट्रिंग से ये हो गया। एंड नाउ वी हम हमारे पास नंबर है, अमाउंट है। सो नाउ वी वांट हाउ मेनी परसेंटेज ऑफ दैट अमाउंट। सो कैन एनीबडी टेल मी हाउ टू डू दैट? मीन्स कैसे कर सकता हूँ?
I guess no one will have now. You can continue.
ठीक है, चलो फिर वी आर गोइंग, मीन्स स्विच केस इज द बेस्ट हियर, बट यू कैन डू फॉर लूप ऑल्सो, बट अभी के लिए स्विच केस। सो बिल, हमारे पास बिल अमाउंट है। नाउ वी वांट परसेंटेज ऑफ दैट। सो फॉर दैट वी आर गोइंग टू से var tip percentage is type double, ओके, एंड यहाँ इनिशियलाइज कर देंगे 0.0 को, and then when we are going to use radio button group dot checked id button, and this id is a integer type, so we can use that as a switch case का जो भी नंबर है, जो भी पैरामीटर है उसके लिए। सो टू चेक दैट वी कैन डू r dot id dot tip 20 sorry, and if 20 हुआ तो tip percentage will be assigned to 0.2. if r dot id dot tip 15 हुआ तो tip percentage is equal to 0.15, and r dot id dot tip 10 हुआ तो tip tip equal to 0.1. so tip percentage equal to type 1, एंड ये सब होने के बाद इफ कुछ भी नहीं ये हुआ, सॉरी, कुछ भी कनेक्टेड नहीं है, जो भी आईडी है वो कुछ तो अलग है, सो यू एल्स में आप टिप इक्वल टू 0.1 ही कर सकते हैं। सो वो बेस केस हो गई, एंड देन वी आर गोइंग टू चेक कि राउंड करना है क्या नहीं। सो टू डू दैट वी कैन डू इफ is round dot checked is checked, round variable or a switch is checked or not, then do if है तो tip per equal to math dot seal tip per, मीन्स वो जो भी नंबर आएगा डॉट समथिंग जो भी आएगा उसको राउंड करेगा अप। मीन्स इफ टू 1.2 1.5 हो वो 2 हो जाएगा, 1.4 हो वो 1 हो जाएगा, 2 हो जाएगा, जो भी पॉइंट के बाद है वो अप जाएगा, नॉट डाउन। टू डू डाउन यू कैन डू मैथ डॉट फ्लोर, बट हम सील कर रहे हैं, सो टिप पर सील होगा इफ is round is checked, and after that what should we do to means टिप निकालने के लिए पॉइंट का मल्टीप्लिकेशन। सो val टोटल टिप इज इक्वल टू बिल अमाउंट, ओके बिल अमाउंट नहीं, बिल, सॉरी यहाँ बिल करना है, इनटू टिप परसेंटेज, एंड val टिप टोटल is equal to bill plus tip. So after doing that we have to set this tip and total in tip text and total text. So to do that, tip text dot set text like we हमने जो आगे पहले किया था वैसे टू स्ट्रिंग, क्योंकि नंबर नहीं लेता सेट टेक्स्ट, एंड टोटल टेक्स्ट डॉट सेट टेक्स्ट total dot to string. So done. So this is our main logic for calculating tip, and run this application. It should run. And okay, मैंने changes किए, bill amount को ID दिया and all. So we have to terminate and restart the process. Okay, and installation successful, finish. So if I go give 200 as a bill amount and I want to give 15%, calculate 15% of 200 is 30 and total amount 230. And if I want 222 and 15, we have 33.33 and 53.33, but I want to round that, so this will become 22.0 high. So what happened here? Per something went wrong. If I want to do with 20 without round, it's 4.44. Oh, 22 without round is 44 and with round 22.
Else you can do one thing. You can give
Yes.
else case as 0.1, na? So that will work, na?
that will work. Yeah, that will
Yeah.
also work. But ये seal का problem दे रहा मुझे भाई. Okay, shit. This is here we want to round the tip, not the tip percentage. So tip equal to math dot seal and tip. Yes, and this will become var now. Yes, sorry, my bad. We have to create 22. Okay, then also it going. Why? क्या हुआ वो?
Maybe restart your app.
हाँ. Terminate. 200, 20%, calculate 204. Why? यहाँ अभी भी मैं ये क्यों है? Yes, now it should work. 220, calculate 40, same, okay. And 222, yes, हो गया. This is your tip calculating application, normal tip calculating application. गूगल ने जो दिया है वो अलग है, मीन्स यूनिट 2 के लेआउट्स में जाके जो भी आपको ये करना है इसके बारे में जो भी है बैजेस है वो थोड़ा सा अलग कोड है, थोड़ा ऑप्टिमाइज्ड कोड है, बट फॉर सिंप्लीफिकेशन आई गो फॉर दिस कोड. तो एनी क्वेश्चन टिल नाउ, मीन्स जो भी क्वेश्चन है, अब सेशन तो एंड है, सो इफ एनी क्वेश्चंस है तो अभी पूछ लो. So I guess
You guys have any questions?
हाँ, जो भी क्वेश्चन है अभी पूछ लो फिर.
This is the Q&A round. So where to send the code?
हाँ, where to send the code? GitHub लिंक आपने सेंड की तो चल, मीन्स हम चेक करेंगे और चल जाएगा फिर.
Else you can add your codes to our GitHub. I'll share the link of our organization, so you can just get going with that.
हाँ, वो भी है. किसी को बोलना है कुछ? Where to send? Okay, thanks.
Yeah, make sure you just join it. The GitHub link is here. I have pasted it. I know, guys, the session was bit a lot. It took a lot of
हाँ
time
यस
because yeah,
ओवरवेलमिंग था, थोड़ा सा ज्यादा डीप में था, बट ज्यादा इतना मत सोचो, आसान है एंड्रॉइड, सिर्फ करते जाओ। लास्ट वाला फोटो लेना है।
yeah, cool. So
Yeah.
you'll follow all the recordings. Yeah, sure. And if you have any doubt, meet like join us on Discord. The Discord QR code is there. You can scan. We have made Android Study Jams category, in that you can ask us any doubt. We just solve everyone's doubt. Vaishnavi Sharma asked you a question, Lokik.
Bill amount we have typecast to string, and then how we can we multiply it. बिल अमाउंट हमने स्ट्रिंग में कास्ट किया, बट उस स्ट्रिंग को हमने फिर से डबल में इंटीजर में कास्ट किया, सो वहां हमने इंटीजर बनाया उस स्ट्रिंग का। हाँ, पास इंट, या हमने पास इंट किया उसको, सो वो इंटीजर हो गया। व्हेन हमने टेक्स्ट बिल्ड अमाउंट इस टेक्स्ट एलिमेंट से टेक्स्ट लिया, वो नल भी हो सकता है, वो नहीं भी हो सकता है, बट पार्स इंट नीड नॉट नलेबल स्ट्रिंग, सो वी टाइप कास्टेड इट टू स्ट्रिंग, वो स्ट्रिंग हो जाए, और फिर उसको टाइप कास्ट किया फिर से इंटीजर में। थोड़ा सा बिट कंफ्यूजिंग है, बट सिंप्लीफिकेशन के लिए हमने डायरेक्टली उसको इंट बनाया, सो वो हो गया।
I guess your doubt is clear, right, Vaishnavi?
Okay,
Yeah,
thank
cool.
you.
Any other doubts?
Any other doubts? मेरी स्क्रीन विजिबल है ना?
Yes, yes.
Last 5 minutes, guys. ये it can be null or alphanumeric, so we converted to single type string and then pass to int. Yes. So
All right. So then, if you
लास्ट
don't have
फोटो
any,
के लिए सब कैमरा ऑन कर दो, आई गेस करण।
yeah, yeah.
माइनक्राफ्ट।
Loki, you can stop sharing.
ओके, रुको। ओके, टुगेदर मोड में लेना है क्या, कैसे?
No, I
टुगेदर।
took the snaps. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, guys. Thanks a lot for joining, guys.
Joining, guys.
Yeah. Some more details we'll share about Android Study Jam 3. In that, we'll be talking about something more in detail, like Kotlin cons, functional Kotlin, and all. So stay tuned for Android Study Jam 3. It will be something much more deeper than this. But in the end, you will get some knowledge about Kotlin, how things work in Kotlin and all. So yeah, let's see. And if you develop any app, anything, you can just add it to our LinkedIn or GitHub. You can just share your post on LinkedIn, add your app and codes to GitHub, and in the end, we'll just circulate the form so that we can give you certificates directly. And from other updates, just stay tuned, join our Discord, and be on our WhatsApp group, so we can just end it here. Thank you
Oh,
so much for
thank
joining
you
today.
so much, guys, for attending my session 2, Android Study Jam, and please join our session 3 also, and give some response and share your application like Karan says. Okay. Should we stop here, Karan?
Yeah, we can stop.
Okay.